Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Roblox Studio and your game. Once ready, make sure Explorer and Properties are visible so you can edit hierarchy and values. You need to find Starter Player and then Starter Character or Starter Character scripts, depending on whether you replace the model or script behavior. You do this because changes in Starter Player apply to every spawned character. Next, drag a custom rig or insert a humanoid model into Starter Character to prepare for swapping appearance at spawn. Once done with placement, import your mesh or choose R6 versus R15 and apply a humanoid description to define outfits, limbs, and body colors. You configure accessories and meshes so they align with the humanoid rig. Make adjustments in properties to fix offsets and scale mismatches. Use attachments and weld constraints when parts don't sit correctly, because correct constraints keep accessories attached during animation. After configuration, test in play mode to verify appearance and animation sync. To finalize, add a local script that grabs the player's humanoid and applies your humanoid description or swaps character models on player added. This ensures the appearance loads at spawn. You should include loading checks and error handling so assets finish downloading before applying, because premature changes cause missing parts. Test in play and server modes, then iterate on welds and attachments. If something breaks, check output for errors. One key troubleshooting tip: verify asset ID are public and accessible to avoid invisible assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.